Hey guys, my name is David, you are watching VivaLaAutomotive, and today we are starting here on Mount Street with this beautiful Rosso Corsa Ferrari F8 Tributo.
Supercar Sessions is basically me, going through these posh areas of London, trying to locate and photograph some of the rarest, coolest and most expensive cars out on the streets. All cars are given points based on their price, exclusivity, as well as my own perspective. 1 point is for all the basic supercars, 3 for less basic ones, 5 for hypercars, and 10 for the rarest of the rare.
Few months ago, when I've seen one of the first F8 Tributos here in London, I said that I can't wait for some of the more tailor-made versions of this car, and this is one of them because it is finished in Rosso Corsa, so pretty much the basic color, but it is one option that I've never seen before, which is these red center caps right here. I've literally never seen these on any other Ferrari, so I don't know how expensive of an option this was. And then the interior is all custom as well. I mean, on the F8 Tributos thus far I've seen like black interiors, blue interiors, but this interior right here is full on McDonald's spec with this red leather and these yellow accents and these stripes. The steering wheel is also red, and the engine, of course, the 4.0 liter V8 in the back producing 710 horsepower is finished in red as well. I hope that this F8 Tributo is a sign of things to come, because today it is an absolutely beautiful Saturday here in London. It is like 17 degrees Celsius. Last weekend it was like 1 degree, so hopefully, fingers crossed, some of the hypercars are going to come out. I have a good feeling about today's Supercar Sessions, so keep on watching up until the end. Over here next to the Gagosian there is this Lamborghini Huracan, which is apparently modded to like 860 horsepower. It is finished in this chrome wrap, bunch of carbon fiber here in the front, the red interior, black leather, this Alcantara on the steering wheel, just absolutely stunning, great for this weather today. And one last thing, look at the number plate, F1 love you. Is there a better number plate than this? I doubt it. Guys, the car that passed me on Park Lane just a few minutes ago is of course the legendary Ferrari F40. So of course I jumped on the Santander bike, but then sadly enough lost it in traffic. Now I'm here in Belgravia, and let's hope that I'll get to see this car again today. But yeah, the first hypercar of today after just 1 hour of being here. So yeah, looking pretty good. As a little consolation prize for losing the Ferrari F40, there is this black Ferrari 599 GTO parked up here in Belgravia. I've seen this car numerous times before, but of course it's always good to see a Ferrari 599 GTO, this special tracked focus Ferrari from the 2000s, limited to only 599 units worldwide. And just across the street there is a Ferrari GTC for Lusso that belongs to the same owner. After seeing the F40, I'm now not really sure what to do because I'm stuck here in Belgravia. I don't know where the car went. I'll have to figure out a plan, but I guess that for now I'll just hop on the bikes. Just a quick stop here on my way through Knightsbridge. We have got this Lamborghini Huracan Performante finished in black with yellow brake calipers, black Alcantara interior, these beautiful carbon fiber shift paddles, the removable roof because it's a Spider, and this forged carbon fiber wing, forged carbon fiber diffuser, and the ALA aerodynamic system. Also, there is this special edition Bentley right here, and I'm not really sure how limited it is or what's the name of the special edition. Then here we have got this Ferrari 812 Superfast finished in this dark blue, and once again I've already seen this car before, but honestly this is one of my favorite 812 Superfasts here in London because of this beautiful dark blue color, these silver TDF wheels, silver brake calipers, and this sort of light interior with the retro Ferrari Daytona seats. The only thing that I would perhaps change about this car is, of course, I'll have carbon fiber everywhere here in the back, on the sides and the front, and I would also go for the Ferrari painted shields. What's up, mate? I wanted to start talking about the McLaren 720S, but then it just left out of nowhere. But anyway, we've still got this Corvette over here with the camo wrap. I've seen it driving around countless times already. And then there's this beautiful orange Lamborghini Aventador S in the background right there. I'm in South Kensington right now and I found this black Porsche 911 Turbo S, and let's go and have a closer look at it. I have seen this car before, but I've only now noticed one very special option on this car, which is that all of the dials in the interior are finished in this green color. I don't know if you can see it right there. And there as well, they're finished in this acid green, and I've never seen the dials on a Porsche finished in this color before, so that's quite interesting. And after seeing the black Porsche Turbo S, here we have got a 991 GT3. By the way guys, what do you think about the new 992 GT3? I honestly really enjoy it. I really like the new wing in the back. One thing that I don't really like are the sort of vents on the hood, which would be right there. I don't really have that much daylight left, but I think that now I'll head over to Sloane Street to sort of finish today's Supercar Sessions over there. That is a beautiful 720S right there. I didn't really manage to capture it, but it was finished in this dark red. Coming up.
That was like years ago. I didn't.
While standing on Sloane Street, I have randomly stumbled across my friend with whom I have shot the McLaren 540C video in the past. So he gave me a ride, but now I am here in West London, and this is pretty much the end of today's Supercar Sessions. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that you've enjoyed it. I for sure did. The Ferrari F40 was just such a big surprise, just an absolutely incredible car. And yeah, this is everything for today. Hopefully, see you next time.